Oh hey, ever get out of bed and just feel like everything is achy and cracky? Your lower back hurts, neck hurts, shoulder feels like you slept on it the wrong way? Hi, I'm Glenn Dawson with Reset You Fitness, and follow along in this video because I'm gonna show you an easy morning routine that I do every single morning to make myself feel like I just jumped out of bed and I'm ready to attack the day. Literally all you need is a mat, preferably, so it's just better with a mat. A very light band, so we can work on those back muscles and get everything to go into alignment. And then you'll be ready to rock and roll and crush your day. So before we get started, make sure you share this so you don't lose it. This is something I want you to do every single morning, and over time you're gonna feel stronger, better, and more flexible and pliable, and be more energetic throughout your day. So if you haven't already done so, share this to your page so that you can see it tomorrow morning when you wake up and follow along. Let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do when you first get out of bed is you are going to do a glute bridge. I'm gonna do it with you, so follow along. We're gonna do 2 sets of everything I've talked about. So you can run through the video twice. We're just gonna do it once together. So basically just a circuit. What we're gonna do is 3 reps with 30-second holds. So you're gonna go up for 1 second, hold your hips, squeeze your glutes and turn them on for 30 seconds, and then drop for 3. So get into this position for me with your feet outside shoulder width. You're going to push through your heels, lift your hips, and you're gonna hold for 30 seconds. Okay, now slowly lower your hips for 3 seconds and then pop them back up and squeeze. Now as you count in your head and you do this 30 seconds, you follow along, the reason why we're doing this is because most of our lives, our glutes are turned off. We're sitting in chairs. They're definitely not turned on when you're sleeping, and those hold your pelvis in alignment. If your pelvis is not in alignment, your lower back takes most of the pressure. This is gonna help you awaken those glutes and start to stand taller first thing in the morning. Lower them for 3 seconds. 1 more, push the hips up and squeeze. Halfway there, make sure you hold it. All right, lower them for 3 seconds. And there you go. Now the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our shoulder blades to go back in alignment. A lot of times we sleep like this, shoulders all out of alignment. What we're gonna do is a scapular retraction. So put your hands on the mat and squeeze your shoulder blades together and then push them apart. Squeeze together and push them apart, just like that. We're gonna do 10 together, all right? Make sure that your shoulders don't go up towards your ears. Keep them back and pinned down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we're gonna open up our hips with a Spider-Man stretch. So, we're gonna go to a similar position. You're gonna go to your hands into your feet, and you're gonna bring 1 leg close to the outside of your hand. We're gonna do 5 each side, and you're gonna switch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last but not least, we have 2 more moves. We're gonna bring our knees to our chest. Now, when you're standing and you're bringing your knees to your chest, you're doing a couple of things. You're putting stability through the glute, through the quad, and gripping the ground with your feet. And the other leg, you're bringing and stretching the glute. And then elongating the hip flexor on the way down. This is going to be super helpful for pelvic stability as you move through your day. And remember, if your pelvis is in alignment and it's stable, less lower back pain. So we're gonna do 5 each side, follow along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your hips should feel really good, shoulders should feel back. Now the last thing we have to do to really solidify our shoulder mobility, grab your light band and we're gonna do some band pull aparts. So the muscles that are around your shoulder blades that keep them back, keep your chest out and give you that powerful posture, right? Not this posture where you have a lot of back pain and neck pain. The powerful posture that we all want, this is gonna help you to keep that. So what I want you to do, grab the lightest band you have. It doesn't need to be a strong one. Point your thumbs out. You're gonna come from your belly button, squeeze out to basically the lower part of your chest or where your nipples are at. And you're gonna pull the band apart, squeezing the back of those shoulder blades. Pause right before touching your chest and then slowly come forward. We're gonna do 10 reps with a 3-3-3 tempo, meaning we're gonna go 3 seconds back, 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, second hold, and then 3 seconds back forward. So follow along, grab your band, you're gonna push out and pull apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Now you should feel amazing. Before you go, make sure you restart the video and do everything one more time through the circuit, and then make sure you've shared this video so you don't lose it tomorrow. You wanna feel good every single day. Do me a favor, leave us a comment below so we know how you're feeling. Let us know how good you're feeling. That's really how I know I'm doing a good job. Unless you don't comment, I don't know if I'm actually doing a good job or not. So give us a comment, let us know how you're feeling. Have an amazing morning. See ya.